In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Tag Manager code. This is an essential part of managing and deploying marketing tags without having to modify your website's code directly, making it indispensable for marketers and developers alike. Let's dive into the steps right away. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Tag Manager. You can do this by typing in the URL directly or by searching for it on Google. Once you're there, the next step is to log in with your Google account. It's important to use the account that is integrated with your business or professional email, ensuring you have access to connected projects and analytics. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your accounts. Here, you need to select the account and container that you wish to work with. The container is essentially where you'll manage your tags for a particular website or app, so make sure you're selecting the correct one. Now, you'll find yourself in the workspace view of your selected container. At the top of this page, click on Admin. This will lead you to the main administration area where you have access to various setup and configuration options for your container. Under the container section on the page, look for an option that says Install Google Tag Manager and click on it. This is where you'll find the specific code snippets that need to be added to your website, enabling Google Tag Manager to start tracking on your site. A pop-up window will appear containing 2 code snippets. These snippets are vital for the Tag Manager to work effectively. The first code snippet needs to be placed in the head section of your website. Placing it here is crucial because it ensures that your tags run as soon as possible when a visitor loads your site. The second code snippet should be placed immediately after the body tag on your pages. This secondary placement acts as a fallback, capturing data in case the first snippet doesn't load due to user or browser behavior. Now, to implement these snippets correctly, you may need to access your website's HTML files or template, depending on how your site is set up. For most content management systems, there are specific instructions available on how to safely add or update code. Consider consulting your platform's documentation if you encounter any difficulties. With those snippets properly placed, make sure to publish your changes within Google Tag Manager, which will prompt the new settings to go live. This setup allows you to begin using Google Tag Manager to track and manage all sorts of analytics and metrics on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to get your Google Tag Manager code and install it, paving the way for more streamlined and efficient tag management on your site. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.